it's time to talk 2019 real estate trends with, of course, our real estate expert, Nick Marcoux. Happy New Year, Nick.
Happy New Year to you too. Thank you.
So you and Shanna have said 2018 was a great year for real estate. Could 2019 possibly get even better?
Well, that's the big question. Everybody's saying we've had such a good market in the last year, actually in the last couple of years. What's going to happen in 2019? My prediction, I guess, is going to be that it's going to continue to do great, and the Quebec real estate boards tend to agree with that. So we're looking at a great 2019.
Of course, the board agrees with Nick Marcoux. So what are some of the key factors driving this great market into the new year?
Well, we're into the fourth consecutive growth year as of 2018. So now we'll be going into the fifth. Basically, what they're saying is that we have a good jobs market, the fact that there's low interest rate, the fact that the Canadian market is doing so great, it's just creating a lot of consumer confidence. So people are confident to invest in Canada, in homes, and in the market.
So in 2018, we beat a record. Is that correct? So what was that, and what do we anticipate for the new year?
Well, basically, 2018, they registered the highest number of sales in Quebec ever recorded.
Wow.
I think it was like 86,000+ about. And the Quebec Real Estate Board is estimating that in 2019, we're going to have 1% growth in that number. So beating the record for a fifth time in a row for the most amount of sales in 1 year.
Okay, so that tends to maybe drive prices up a little bit, right?
It does. It does.
Yeah.
It's it creates a lot of demand. People want to buy, so the offset of that is prices go up.
And okay, so is that a good thing or a bad thing for people looking to buy or looking to sell?
Well, that's the big question, right? As an investor, you'll find opportunity in any type of market, right? Now, in this kind of market, it's great for investors because they're putting their money into something that's growing.
Right.
So there's an upward, growth in the market, which is great. Plus, when things tend to go up in value, people tend to retake their money out, reinvest it. So it creates a nice kind of economy in the real estate market. Now, as a seller, it depends what the purpose is. If you're an older person trying to sell and downsize, it's a great thing because there's going to be more money in your property, so you'll tend to have more power after. But if you're looking to move up in a bigger home, or you tell yourself, wow,
can I afford it?
Can I afford it? Exactly. So if I sell, will I have enough money to buy? So those are the questions you ask yourself. And as a first-time home buyer, you tell yourself, am I going to be able to even afford a home? Because home accessibility is at its lowest point ever in Canada. So as a first-time home buyer, it's never been this hard to purchase a home.
Really?
So as a first-time buyer, you tell yourself, oh my God, if it keeps going like this, can I buy a home? Can I not? So those are the questions you ask yourself. But in general, the market is great. So it's a good thing.
And the government tends to, they don't want to see happening like what we saw in Vancouver, for example, in Toronto. We don't want to see that happening here.
No, I mean, the average home price in Vancouver is, I think, reached 1.1 million now.
Yeah.
So it's very hard for the average person to purchase a home. So they're trying to, keep the growth steady and not so rapid.
Okay, but growth is good.
Growth is good.
Okay, we'll take it. Nick Marcoux, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Happy selling and buying to you in 2019.
Thank you.